Are you looking for a profitable online business venture? Do you want to learn the secrets behind making money through e-commerce? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we will unveil the hidden secrets of dropshipping and guide you towards building a successful online enterprise. Get ready to dive into the world of e-commerce and discover the untapped potential of dropshipping. Let's begin. Welcome to the Hidden Secrets of Dropshipping, making money through e-commerce. In today's digital age, e-commerce has become a booming industry, offering unlimited opportunities for entrepreneurs to start their own online businesses. One popular business model that has gained significant traction is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This means the store doesn't have to handle the product physically or maintain inventory. Dropshipping has revolutionized e-commerce by providing a low-risk, low-cost way for aspiring entrepreneurs to enter the market. Now, you might be wondering, what are the secrets to running a successful dropshipping business? Let's dive into 5 key secrets that will help you thrive in the world of e-commerce. Secret number 1: niche selection. The first secret to successful dropshipping is niche selection. It's crucial to focus on a specific niche market rather than trying to sell everything to everyone. By narrowing down your target audience, you can create tailored marketing strategies and stand out in a crowded market. Find a niche that aligns with your interests and passions while also being profitable. Conduct thorough market research to identify untapped niches with high demand and low competition. This will give you the edge needed to succeed in the highly competitive e-commerce landscape. Secret number 2: reliable suppliers. The second secret of dropshipping success lies in finding reliable suppliers. Your suppliers will be responsible for shipping products to your customers, so it's essential to work with trustworthy and efficient suppliers. Look for suppliers that have a proven track record of delivering quality products in a timely manner. Check for positive customer reviews and ratings, and establish clear communication channels with your suppliers to ensure smooth operations. Secret number 3: effective marketing strategies. The third secret is implementing effective marketing strategies to drive traffic and generate sales. Since dropshipping relies heavily on online platforms, mastering digital marketing techniques is essential. Leverage social media platforms, collaborate with popular influencers in your niche, and optimize your website for search engines. Develop a strong brand presence and engage with your target audience through compelling content and targeted advertisements. Secret number 4: streamlined operations. The fourth secret is to streamline your dropshipping operations. Automate tasks whenever possible to minimize errors and save time. Utilize efficient software and tools to manage inventory, track orders, and handle customer inquiries. By streamlining your operations, you can focus on scaling your business and providing exceptional customer service, ultimately leading to increased profits. Secret number 5: continuous learning and adaptation. The fifth and final secret to dropshipping success is continuous learning and adaptation. The e-commerce landscape is ever evolving, and it's crucial to stay updated with the latest trends, technologies, and customer preferences. Invest time in learning new marketing strategies, exploring emerging markets, and staying connected with fellow dropshippers. Embrace change, be open to experimentation, and adapt your business accordingly. And there you have it, the hidden secrets of dropshipping, unveiling the pathway to success in e-commerce. By selecting the right niche, working with reliable suppliers, implementing effective marketing strategies, streamlining operations, and continuously learning and adapting, you can unlock the true potential of dropshipping. So, are you ready to take the plunge into the world of dropshipping? Start your journey now and pave your way to e-commerce success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights and tips on building a successful online business. Thanks for watching.